Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. I hope this video will help you to fix the common problem, which is the sound come out only from one side of the headphones or the computer. So first thing, go to search and type system. Type system preferences. You have it here. Click on it and then go to sound. Click output. See here. Only one, it should be in the middle, like this. If you have it in the middle, okay, this is fine. Let's go to the second step. Type the application, and you have it here. Audio, type audio, MIDI setup, built-in output, and then come here, and they must be they must be balanced in the same position almost. Okay, I have it here -3.5, -3.5. I hope this video will help you to fix that problem. Thank you very much.